Today I'm going to show you how to make an animation using PowerPoint. Now you need to open PowerPoint on your actual computer and not use the one on the OneDrive. Okay, so open it on your computer. Reason being is the one in the OneDrive doesn't have all the controls you need to make your animation. Right, a new animation. Let's get rid of the boxes there. Delete those. Now today I want you to just use shapes, because this is just to get to know how to make an animation. In the weeks coming you can be much more creative, and we'll show you different ways to create animations using PowerPoint and using different tools. But today, in your home bar set up there, go across to shapes and you see you've got an array of them. I'm going to use a square, so click on the square and that then should appear somewhere in your PowerPoint. So there we are. I'm going to change the colour, and you can use any colours you like today. I'll change it to red. I'm going to put that there in the middle to start. And what you need to do every time is copy and paste the slide before you move it. Edit, copy, Command C is a shortcut. Then edit, paste, Command V on my computer is a shortcut. But two slides now exactly the same. Select your shape. If you want to keep it square, you hold the Shift key down so it doesn't go all wonky. If you don't mind it going wonky, you don't need to do that. Right, back up. You guessed it, Command copy, Command paste onto that slide. Move around, change the size, whatever you want to do. It's just to get to know how this works. I'm using the keypad shortcuts because it's a shortcut. Exactly what it says on the tin. But if you forget to go back over here, look what happens. You just get another square. Okay, I don't want to do that. I'm going to go backwards. So on here, Command copy, Command paste. I've got another one. Make it bigger. Again, I've gone back over, look, Command copy, Command paste. And look, if I do that without holding it, it goes different shapes. Back over. For animation, you need to be patient. It takes a long time. And then I'll just change the colour. Shape fill. Oops, let's go. Oh, let's go yellow. Oh, that's bright. Okay. So really, you're not making an animation that tells a story. It's not actually doing anything particularly today. It's just to get to know how this works. Okay, you can use more than one shape if you like, but you'll be moving them as you go along. Setup, you've got to get the setup right. I've done this a couple of times and I've made a few mistakes and it doesn't work. So let me see if I can get it right now. Okay, so let's start with slideshow and set it up. Set up the slideshow. Presented by a speaker full screen. I've ticked that and it seems to work. I like it to loop, so it can just keep playing. Show without narration. Use timings if present, that's really important. And if you leave that on automatic, I think it all works and it's all the slides, okay? That's what you need to set up. Say okay to that. Next thing then is the transitions. You need to have it on no transitions, none. Come across to the duration and make it smaller, 0.25. Okay, make sure it's on that. Then there's no sound, it's not on mouse click, it's on that one, and it needs to be on 0, and apply it to all the slides. Make sure you do that, apply to all. Okay. Now let's just double check now the slideshow. So what are we doing? Use timings, definitely. show media controls. Well, no, I haven't got animations. Sorry, narrations, so I can leave that. Fingers crossed this works now. Let's give it a test. Yay, there we go. And as you can see, it's playing your animation. So it's just to get to know how to make an animation today. And we're not making pictures of anything in particular, just use shapes just to get to know how it works. Okay, thank you. Pause that, come out of that. And